Good morning, welcome back to See Today Business with me, Alin Wiratmaja. As promised, we are now joined by Senior Investment Information Expert at Mira Asset Sekuritas Indonesia, Nafan Aji here. Yes. Hi, good morning, Nafan.
Good morning, Ms. Alin. Good morning, See Today Business.
Yes, thank you for joining us today. Now let's delve into the market insights. We have prepared some of your analysis here. As we can see from this charts that the financial market volatility is decreasing. What can we tell about the recent market sentiment from these charts?
Okay, we see that the market currently is appreciating Fed power stance here in order to carefully conducting its interest rate policy. Yes, especially in a dovish stances. So that we see that the volatility index such as VIX and MOVE index is declining right here. Yes, declining. And then we see that the US Treasury yield, 10-year US Treasury yield is also declining right here. And also this is the SBN 10-year also declining. And then we see that the Indonesia current default swap in 5 years is also decreasing further below 100. So that it is also affecting Indonesia capital inflow at this moment.
Now this is important. Let's look at the XY against US dollar.
Yes, Ms. Alin. The important that we see that the rupiah now is appreciating towards the US dollar. We see that the US IDR is decreasing right now due to the fact that the US dollar index is also decreasing. We see that the Fed will be potentially maintaining its interest rate around 5.5%, and we also look forward about the potential release of the Fed dot plot the Fed from the Fed in December, which is likely that we could see how much or how many times that the Fed will conducting its soft landing policy in 2024.
When do you expect that they will start cutting rates?
Well, it depends on the result of the median in 2024, but I believe that back then when the September's dot plot release, the median in the 2024 is around 5.1%. So that means that we will see 2 times Fed rate cut, around 25 basis point of basis, which is likely will be conducted around second semester in 2024.
Okay, on the second half. And now let's see the analysis on the Jakarta Composite Index. You mentioned that it's breaking above the major channel and targeting 7,450, but it's in 2024.
Yes.
Okay, let's discuss this. Do you think that the rebound of Jakarta Composite Index is sustainable?
Well, in December, I believe it is likely that we will gain momentum from the window dressing event as well as the Santa Claus rally event. So that means that I believe that December, the probability of the increasing the growth of GCI is likely higher here. So that means that the composite could break above the major parallel channel.
So this is a resistance here?
Yes, this is the resistance, of the GCI when breakout occurs, because we see that the volume is also likely to increase, even though that the RSI is overbought, but it still is above 60 level, and we see that the moving average from both MA20 and MA60 is also golden crossover. So that means that it is likely that the GCI will form a breakout, supporting by the positive sentiment here from the Fed especially. So because we see that the the Fed is potentially maintaining its interest rate at the current level, so that it will bring optimism, from our markets, especially.
Okay, it brings optimism, but please be careful on the resistant area. We can see some profit taking already.
Well, a bit.
Last week.
A bit.
Okay. So now let's move on. You mentioned that December is a buying opportunity based on historical data. Can you explain more about this?
Okay. We see that the December majority, the index closing in green territory, which is in positive territory, since 2002, except for 2022. We see that there were no Santa Claus rally occurs.
No Santa Claus rally last year, no window dressing last year. How about this year?
Okay, I remember that during last year, the Fed conducted a very aggressive tightening monetary policy, increasing its rate around 50 basis points. So that the Santa Claus rally in 2020 were not happening. But in this year,
the Santa flat because of the Fed.
Yes, I believe so. But in this year, we have to be very optimistic due to the fact that the Fed maintaining its dovish stance. It is definitely a good signal for our market. So that I believe it will increase our buying opportunity in accumulating stocks with good fundamentals too. Okay, so that the stock market with greater market cap will be appreciating. Thus it will generating positive impact for our GCI.
Okay, pick the big cap.
Indeed.
Big guy. So on the back of the expectation of less hawkish Fed in 2024, we can take the opportunity to buy this December and next.
Okay.
I don't know what happened. Okay, so this is the sectoral rotation. What can we tell from this? Are we going to buy in the leading sector or those that are under pressure?
Well, in leading sector, we see that the infrastructure is extremely leading. Okay. And the improving sectors
can write this
are
too.
IDX Techno and also IDX Financials. So that these sectors are in the accumulation phase or in a public participation phase. Yet in the lagging zone, there are industrials or healthcare, cyclicals, non-cyclicals, transportation. Although they are lagging, yet they are still in our watch list because it is also potentially exhibiting maybe a accumulation phase, in order to rotate from lagging into improving. Yes, it is also possible, but we have to be patient also as a investor.
Yes, if you buy in weakness, we have to be patient. But if you have like a mid-term view, maybe we can pick the winning sector.
Okay.
Okay, let's discuss of the winning sector here. You mentioned about Telekomunikasi Indonesia, TLKM in the markup phase potential. Let's delve deeper into this.
Okay, thank you. We see that the telecom
this is in the infrastructure sector.
In the
winning sector or leading sector.
Okay. Well, Telkom, the price is over the moving average 20 and 60. We see that
Above this, we can see the candle here.
Okay, and it is attempting to break above the major neckline.
Major neckline
Okay,
here,
right here.
3,830.
Yes, 3,830.
Resistant. Let's see whether
Okay.
it can break.
Okay, should Telkom break above this neckline, it will be potentially ascend to the long-term resistance target around 4,370.
Okay, this is the first
midterm,
target for
Yes, midterm is around
1,140, and then the second target is 4,370.
Okay.
So this is cup and handle pattern, as we can see here.
Indeed, Alin, with major support around 3,060.20.
So this is the support,
moving average
3,620.
That's right. Well, I believe that Telkom is going to establish a markup phase due to the fact that we also see good sentiments not only from the technical one but also in the fundamental. We see Telkom potential growth based on the income statement, which is good in year-on-year basis and also Q-on-Q basis. We see that Telkom is potentially ascending due to the fact that the mobile broadband demand is also increasing, as well as we are also in the general election season, which is typical that the interconnectivity is going to increase significantly. All right. Therefore, Telkom they are anticipating the acceleration of mobile internet market generally.
Okay, disclaimer on recommendation from Mira Asset Sekuritas Indonesia is adding on Telkom. Okay, now I think I might press something here.
Okay.
Okay, making it bigger again. Another stock in the infrastructure sector, the competition of Telkom. We have ISAT here.
Yes, ISAT is the competitor of Telkom. Okay, it is currently the second rank here in the
so it's
communication in Indonesia.
A rebound attempt from ISAT.
Yeah, well, it is actually a rebound, and yet we need a breakout from the minor neckline here. This is the minor neckline here. Okay, should breakout occurs, then ISAT could ascend to its theoretical target around 10,100 and then 10,550. Okay.
So this is the first target if the rebound is valid, and then this is the second target.
Okay. The price is also
has been in the sideways,
accumulating yet accumulating, because we see that both stochastic and RSI signal right here are definitely positive at this moment.
Okay, disclaimer on the recommendation from Mira Asset Sekuritas Indonesia also add for ISAT.
ISAT, okay.
Yes, okay. So thank you very much for sharing your insights, Nafan Aji, and also for joining our show.
Thank you, Ms. Alin.
And yes, we will be returning for you with updates from around the world. So stay tuned with us on C Morning Show.